So traditionally in a precast plant, they spray oil on the form. It could be a vegetable oil, could be any other release agent oil. The oil makes a mess. And so by the time you pour, 80% of the oil is on the floor and not on the mold. So when you pour the concrete inside the mold and you want to strip the next day, it leaves a lot of concrete residue inside the mold that now leads into extended cleaning time of the mold.
Yeah, the oil may cause a safety hazard on the floor.
People walk through, it looks dirty, it's a mess, and people can slip on the oil as well.
The oil may become a liability because people can slip on it and may inhale the oil particles as well.
When you have the oil, you always have dark spots on the product. You see it on the surface, so your surface is never 100% clean. And the next thing is, since the oil is not where it's supposed to be, you possibly have concrete pieces missing on the final product, and that requires patching afterwards. With the wax, you apply a very thin layer on the mold and you strip the product out and the product looks perfect. That's why also the name for the wax, the perfect wax.
There are a wide range of applications where you can use it: pipes, retaining walls, of course manual products and components.
So you can use it with styrofoam. It doesn't either weight the styrofoam. Everywhere where you have rubber involved, the wax is the ideal release agent for that. But ultimately, you have a much more conscious approach to resources because you use much less material. By the time you pour concrete inside that mold, the wax is really where you want it to be. When the product comes out, it strips really easily. The good thing is you don't have 80% of all your oil on the floor, you have it all in the mold. The wax is applied once. You use gloves to apply it, but there's no hazard to it. It's not a hazardous material. We recommend to wax the molds every single time when you strip the product out to guarantee 100% finish. The time of what you need for cleaning the mold afterwards is a huge cost saving when using the wax.
We have a warehouse here in Nashville, Tennessee, with enough buckets in stock at all times. If you have higher demands, we can arrange to ship container loads directly to your plants. Product availability can be guaranteed.
Don't miss the opportunity and take your productivity to the next level. Maximize your success with the perfect wax. Order today.